So now that I've made some coconut milk, I decided I want to try making like a little pina colada. So I'm gonna take some frozen pineapple and put it in the blender with my coconut milk. But I am gonna use my nut milk bag again because I don't want that pulp in there from the pineapple. Okay, I just want the flavor. So here we go. I think I'm gonna do more pineapple. Oh yeah, so that was 2 cups of pineapple and 2 cups of coconut milk. So we're gonna pour it in here just to get rid of any pulp that might be in there. Because this pineapple was frozen, this is very cold. If you don't have one of these, I highly recommend you get one. Makes all these tasks so easy. All right, let's see how it tastes. A little Pina Colada Mocktail. It's wonderful, light and refreshing. Tastes like Hawaii.